On a previous episode, I bought a storage auction for $168 in Tucson, Arizona, and it's an interesting unit, no doubt. And as I'm going through things, I'm finding more and more about the owners of this unit, and it's kind of disturbing, no doubt. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you some of the remaining boxes that we have to open, along with doing a good little deed. So let's see what we do today. We're down to just 3 more boxes. Can you only imagine what is in that box? Kita, what is in the bathroom box? Is it wrong? Is it wrong? Because this whole unit was wrong. Very wrong. All right, I'm going through some stuff here and just found a stack of Pokemon cards. They don't seem to be too crazy, but I don't know too much, so we're just going to take these and lot them up for eBay. But here was an interesting find right here. Louis Vuitton wallet. A little beat up. And it's got some stitching right there, which it's not a big deal. And just from what I've seen online about these, this looks to be pretty legit. So since it has some flaws to it here at the bottom, at the top, and then the stitching on the inside, you know, we're just going to throw it to auction and see what it does. Instead of throwing this box of chow out, put it up on Facebook. The ladies come right now to pick it up. Glad to see that somebody can use it instead of me pitching it. Off they go. Hopefully they can use that. Food. All right, Kim, you ready?
I don't know. Maybe. It says dishes, so.
You think it's gonna be like the last one? Crud and food everywhere?
Well, the fact that you're wearing gloved fingers makes me scared.
Here we go. This one says dishes. God, please don't let it be as nasty as the last one. Okay. Are you ready, Kim? There it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, it's dishes.
All right. So what's this? Okay,
Oh, it's
please.
an old cake.
Huh? Why would you wrap a dish like this? Is there food on it? I'm peeking. Okay. It's a special plate.
I guess it's just a special plate. Doesn't look like it.
Okay, somebody packaged
And yet
this.
they didn't package their wine glasses.
Yeah. It's craziness. Kita.
Oh, the dogs. Oh, they're plastic.
All right. Top to pans. Let's see what these pans. Some of those pans are pretty nice. All right, so this is a whole set, this Chef Mate cookware. Okay. I mean, this is pretty solid stuff.
It's solid, yeah. It's heavy.
Okay. Oh, there's knives down here or something. Okay, what does that one say?
It says the same thing, Chef Mate.
Is it?
Yeah, it does. I read it.
I mean, these are quality.
They're heavy.
Yeah. Could you use any of this?
No.
No? Just sell it?
Just sell it.
All right, so
come
gosh.
on.
What is that?
Just throw that out. That's one of those like Walmart mugs anyway.
But what is that? Why?
And these
okay, hold on,
silverware, I can see it.
You can see what funk. Oh!
There's
Come on,
silverware that is
what
dirty
is that?
in here too. I mean, I don't know. Clean your dishes or something.
Why would you do that? Okay, is this gonna get funky when we move this paper?
Probably. I feel like we shouldn't be doing this inside.
Oh God!
It's dirty dishes, y'all.
Dirty freaking dishes.
Literally everything in here is dirty that I can see.
Yes. Don't
Look
touch
at all
it. Don't
this.
touch.
I'm
Don't
not
touch.
touching it. Are you crazy?
Look at all that. Here.
All that silverware is dirty.
Here. Look at that. It's.
Now, what's the point of that? Why can't
gross.
you just wash it off or rinse it off or something?
I mean, if you're in a hurry, but you know what? Everybody knows if you don't pay the bills or you're getting evicted or whatever the situation is, right?
Well, you know it's coming.
Yeah.
They don't just show up.
It's stainless steel made in Japan.
Actually, I could use one of those. You know what that is? It's for cake decorating. It's for icing a cake.
A Tico? Yeah, there was some in the other box. Sorry, let's put it aside there. Okay.
I don't know what I want that one though. even cleaned up. It's grossing
Oh
me
God!
out.
No, no, no! Why would you wrap? Oh my God! Why would you wrap?
This.
Why would you do that?
It's stuck.
Why would you wrap these? Oh my God! Look at this.
Ew. Oh, come on! See, this whole box. Just throw this
Look at this.
crap. Oh, come on!
Come on, man.
Okay.
All right, there's nothing.
That's disgusting.
Why would people do this? What is this?
It's a cake decorator.
I mean, how do they expect? Oh, it's Wilton.
That's what I'm telling you. It's a cake decorator. I know my cake stuff.
Is there anything worth saving in here?
I'm looking at
A whisk?
No.
What is on there?
Gross whiskey stuff. I'm gonna need a whiskey after that whiskey.
Yeah, this is pretty. Oh.
That's just a...
No, but I think I had it set to that from the other box. Okay. Oh God, what is this? Oh, there's another one. Another Wilton. I'm trying to save some profits, Kim.
Well,
I'm going in, Coach.
Oneida.
Oneida.
Come on, people.
That's salvageable, don't you think? Somebody'd buy that. What's this one? Members Mark with eggs in it still.
I mean, come on.
All right, this box is a bust. I mean, I don't see there's. I mean, here I'm gonna show you guys coffee mug. But look at the gunk in the bottom.
It's just disgusting.
I mean, who wraps dirty freaking plates? That's terrible. All right.
I'm done with this.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this box out here, and we'll open up this last one. All right, bathroom.
I am not looking forward to this after the kitchen.
I mean, what could possibly go wrong in this box?
The possibilities are kind of endless, I think.
I mean, if I start seeing doo-doo.
You're in deep doo-doo if we
Well, here's the thing. I know where these people live. You know what I'm saying?
I know where you live.
No, like I just feel like I could just throw it in their lawn or something with a note. There we go. Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Let me get equipped. Just making sure.
You're a braver soul than I am.
This
I
is
would
the
not
last
be putting
one.
my nose down there.
We need profits out of this.
Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So far, it looks normal.
Okay.
So
I'm
far,
hoping
it looks
there's
normal.
perfume or something. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Lots to look at.
Lavender Epsom salt.
Epsom salt. That's trash.
Lovely.
What's in
QT
here?
cup with bath toys.
Bath toys. Okay, that's trash. Little dude there. That's trash.
I'm not putting my mouth where your mouth was.
You sure?
Yep.
Oh, this is Dr. Teal's. I don't know what that means. You know what you do with stuff like this, honestly? And this works for us. We just, get a Clorox wipe, we clean this off, set it on a table, and somebody will say, how much? $1. So that's a keeper. That looks like that's still good.
What is it? I'm not entirely sure what it is. Made in the USA.
Victoria's Secret.
Yeah, it is. The Victoria's Secret lotion.
That's what? I mean, that's...
That was $25 brand new.
Was it? Does it look brand new?
It says $25 brand new.
Leave the price on there. That's okay.
It looks like they used some of it, but...
Well, again, you just take the Clorox wipe. No.
More,
Toenail clippers?
Toenail.
Well, hold on, because we sell those, too.
I know we do. Baby wash, yep.
Is that full or half empty? That can
It's
go.
like 3/4
Right.
full, honestly. I don't know. I
let's throw that out.
I feel like I'm really
VO5?
grasping a straw.
I know,
that is so horrible.
You know how cheap I am. Oh.
Butt cream,
Huh?
diaper rash.
Diaper rash?
Do you know what this reminds me of?
Hmm.
When Anthony was at my mom's
Yeah.
when he was little. So, warning, there's a word coming that might not, might offend some people's delicate senses here. But he told my mom, Grandma, can I have some ash cream? And he was trying to say ice cream, but my mom thought he was saying ass
I need
cream,
an ash
and she
cream.
was looking for the dustbin.
Okay, this, I'm going to let that be. I feel like that's trash. Like, that was part of the garbage
actual
bag.
trash?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
All right, watch where you're putting hands here and
I'm
stuff.
looking. All right.
Okay, there's hair.
Lotion. This is like empty. This straightening mist.
All right, we got some jewelry down here.
Let's see.
We'll have to look at that when our Tom will open it up later.
Fits tight teeth. All right, kids dental flossers.
Brand new?
No.
Not opened.
And another toy.
I wouldn't trust any of this stuff. I mean,
no, I really wouldn't. Not with what we've seen. Toys. Where's that bath toy thing? There it is. Plastic.
Lubriderm.
Was that not the best thing ever when
What?
your mom would like get you like one of the eggs from the one of
Gumball
these
machine?
from the gumball machine in the store?
Irish Spring.
Got to be glued.
Hey, that stuff's.
Spiky
I'll tell you what, that
gel.
stuff's expensive.
All right, this is empty.
What is it though?
Victoria's Secret bottle.
Oh, but somebody might want that little tease rebel.
Ocean Breeze Refreshing.
See, this
is
is
like brand new body
All right,
wash.
well, we'll sell that. This is.
Dog wants to know what's going on now with him.
You smell something, Keto?
Rubber ducky, you're the one.
There's a bathroom skill in here. More.
Oh, more Victoria's Secret. Hold on.
There's a little
Oh,
splash. No, Victoria?
Viva La Juicy by Juicy Couture.
Ooh.
By designer Imposters.
Oh, inspired by. How does that even possible? Like, I don't get that whole fake knockoff clone stuff.
Pre-color serum for coloring your hair. I guess. Oh yeah. And then somebody kept like the conditioners for the coloring.
What's in this thing? Toothpaste. L'Oreal Hydration Toner. I bet that's expensive.
Oh my gosh. I
What?
know there are some women out there
Oh, yeah.
that used to do this too. You
Me
put
too.
the sun in and you did too.
Uh-huh.
Are you kidding me?
Remember I had the blonde hair?
Yeah, but I actually dyed your hair.
Yeah.
This was something that we would put in our hair and then go sit out in the sun getting our
Sun
tan.
in.
It's supposed to lighten your hair. I didn't even know they still made this. Bring it out.
Fizzball, Soap and Glory. Sugar Crush. It's a holiday edition.
Nail polish remover.
Suave. Rico Suave.
Almost empty hairspray.
Do you think somebody buys something like this? This little tray? I mean, you never know what people buy.
Never
It's
know.
crazy.
People might. I don't know. Wet n Wild cheap makeup.
Sephora. Scrubber.
That's a face scrubber. I'm not selling some of these. Oh, that finishing spray. That's empty. Soap dish. That's crappy. Crap.
Skin Active Garnier. Soothing Facial Mist. I didn't know that was such a thing until Maddie was doing that one day.
For minor to severe skin irritation due to incontinence. You know what that is? That's when people pee their pants.
People pee their pants.
So, like when you can't hold, it in.
You just,
Um,
and what? You just apply it to the tip?
no.
What do you spray it? Where do you put
No,
it though?
well, like okay, so if you're sitting around wet, it's like for adult diaper rash.
And then of all things here, this is like to sum it up, the Joker unit.
That really is. That's what we're gonna call it
Ooh.
now. The Joker unit. Scissors. Some sort of
Oh, that's
ornaments,
great.
or is that
That's the
to
top
a lid to this?
a
Maybe.
fake shit.
All right. Some makeup spatula. Yep.
Toothpaste. All right, there's a scale here. This appears to be
All right,
something
hold on,
nice.
let me
That's
grab-
a popcorn, isn't it?
Stop moving stuff when I'm putting it on there, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna break the scale. That looks like when we used to have this scale.
We have one just like that in the bathroom there.
Well, you can see how often I step on it.
This is a Weight Watchers one too. It's got
hey, we used to
WW.
have one of these. You're like, yeah. We still
Don't
do.
sniff that dog. I don't know what's in there.
All right, toothpaste. Anthony needs some toothpaste.
Hell no.
All right.
So let me grab this.
These are the directions for coloring your hair. Like, why would you keep that?
This is heavy. Weight Watchers. We don't want to see how much I weigh today, do we?
Well, they didn't break the scale,
No,
so
let's see.
does it even work?
Sure does.
Uh-oh. Are you
175.
tipping the scale?
Yeah, actually I am. Jeez. If that's accurate.
Did that really come up 175? Because I don't believe it for a
Huh?
minute.
Yeah.
You're not
I'm down now.
175.
No.
You haven't been 175 since I met you.
No. All right.
Does it work, really?
I don't know if it works. I mean, if it does,
There's
if
numbers
it well, if
that
it
come up.
it works.
Maybe that's why it's
It works,
that's
but if
why
it's-
a Weight Watchers scale. They make it worse than what it should be.
Yeah.
It's a shower curtain.
Okay, but why? What is this? Oh, the shower curtain rings. Yeah.
Well, it didn't work. How come it worked for you?
Oh, maybe. There you
There
go.
we go. Okay, let's see.
While you're doing that, I'm opening this. Paris shower curtain.
Yeah, I don't like that scale.
Okay, so just a shower curtain. Okay.
I'm not keeping somebody's shower curtain.
No, that's pretty generic anyway. So we'll just skip
So
this.
another thing of garbage.
Yeah, nothing too crazy. I mean, there's some
Right.
sellable stuff, but nothing fantastic. Does this even smell good? Ooh, this smells actually pretty good. You know what? Don't throw this out because I got all these perfumes and colognes that are missing the tops. So, all right, guys. Yeah, this was kind of a letdown, that's for sure.
Now, what unit is this from again?
What unit is this from?
Yeah.
The Tucson one. Remember all the garbage bags?
Yeah.
The bags of fun?
Yeah, the bags of fun. I didn't like that unit very much.
Kita, you want to be on video?
What?
Yeah?
What?
She's learning her bark. Okay.
Kita found her bark this week.
Yeah, so here we go. All right, you might remember this one here. This is the one with the Nintendo Switch box. And I didn't really go through everything. I just kind of moved it around. So let's open this one up. Maybe there's something that we missed here.